Today, I'm excited to share a game-changing tool that's about to save job board owners and recruiters countless hours of tedious work. I developed a job posting tool that would automate your entire job posting workflow with two powerful clicks: feed jobs and export jobs. The Job Feature Wizard is a complete solution that fetches job listings from multiple sources and publishes them directly to your WordPress website, all while you focus on more important tasks. This web application is built on three main pillars. First, a classic Python. Um, a classic Python-based backend that handles all the heavy lifting. That is where all the magic happens, including fetching jobs, processing data, and communicating with WordPress. Second, a sleek React frontend with tailwind CSS that gives a beautiful, intuitive dashboard to control everything. And third, a WordPress integration that allows seamless publishing through the WordPress API. So let me break down what this means in real terms. Imagine you're managing a job board with listings from various sources. Traditionally, you'd spend hours every day manually gathering those job listings, formatting them consistently, and publishing them one by one. But with Job Feature Wizard, that entire process is automated. The system can automatically fetch job listings from multiple sources, process and standardize the data, publish or save as draft directly to your WordPress site through the WordPress API. Present everything in user-friendly dashboard, and lastly, you have the effort to scale your job board listings and make it grow daily. So this job feature wizard is perfect for job website owners who are trying to keep their listings fresh and updated, recruitment agencies managing postings for multiple clients, companies maintaining their career pages, human resource department handling internal and external job postings, and content aggregators who deal with job listings. So we are going to test this tool in right now to see how actually it works. So we can see that you have the import job section where you can put the number of jobs that you want to import per day or per hour, minutes, anytime that you want. And here on my right hand, you can see the export job to WordPress. Here you can also import the number of jobs you want to export to WordPress. So essentially, the number of jobs that you import are the number of jobs that you should export to avoid any confusion. And if in case you are wondering, well, I also implement a mechanism that will check if a job has been posted to WordPress or so that to avoid reposting the same job twice again. So also you can see that the maximum number of jobs you can fetch is 100. So in this case, let me say 60 jobs, and let's give it a try. So you can see successfully fetch 50 jobs. Oh, I say 60. I don't know. Okay, that's a glitch. So you can see these are the jobs, and they should be 60 at the moment. This is the mode. So after fetching the jobs, you can then click on export to WordPress. So in this case, you're gonna give it 60 jobs. And once you click on export jobs to WordPress, it's going to export the jobs to WordPress using the WordPress API. So in this case, I'm having a client on whom I'm working with, so I don't want to post these jobs to his website. So I mean, if you want to test out the tool, then let me know. I'll give you a link to my GitHub repository where you can copy and implement everything. Thank you for watching.